Hi, in this video I will show you how to see your Zoom meetings history. Do you want to see your past Zoom meetings? Here, how to see them in just a few steps. Some of you guys are using Zoom app, but Zoom company decided to not put the option of meeting history on the app. But they put it on the website. So let's head over into the website. First, open your browser. Then type zoom.us. Once you are on the website, here on the right corner you will find sign in if you already have an account. If you're not, or if you don't, just sign up. Once you sign in, click on your picture on Zoom, then click here, move your mouse to the left side, then click on meetings here where you can see your previous meetings or your meetings history. So click on previous, set the date, maybe let's set an example. I'm looking for a meeting on 2024 on April. Let's set the dates like 30 April from 1 March to 30 April 2024. Okay guys, that's the video, and thank you so much guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and bye bye.